Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of JAYdotMAK. See? That's me. And while the hype is kind of dying down on the Bread 4 Reimagines, you best believe that the hype on them military blue 4's is everywhere. Like, I mean, everyone is talking about the military blue 4's. Personally, I don't like them. I'm not going to be buying them because I'm not going to be wearing them. And if I'm not going to be wearing the shoes anymore, then I'm not going to be buying them. I'm tired of just buying shoes that just sit around and do nothing. They need to be on my motherfucking feet. So mostly, I think most people are only excited for the military blue 4's just because they haven't come back in a while. But in 2013, the last time we saw the military blues was the last time and the only time that we saw these. Goddamn. This is one of my favorite shoes in my collection. You can see that I have worn these until the wings have busted off. So let me give you guys a little tip first. I used to wear my 4's with the wings kind of hanging out to the side. I used to just let them flop. But I've learned from these Toro's that if you do that, this flexes over and over and over again, and it breaks. See, you can see right down there. It the stitching is still in there. It's the plastic that just gets brittle and breaks out. So what I do is I lace my sneakers up to where they're nice and loose, but not super loose, right? And then I tie a little knot there so it stops it from flopping, right? Little stopper from flopper. And then I just tuck my laces in, and we's all good. But yes, this is a sneaker that I would rather see them re-release than the military blue 4's. Let me go ahead and put my tripod down here. The Toro motherfucking Bravo. Goddamn. And personally, I was speaking about this. I think it was with the Vintage on his stream. He was streaming the other day about the military blue 4's, and I was like, man, we need to know the Toro, because I was telling him about the wings busting off and shit. And he was like, word, I ain't never heard about no wings busting off. I was like, yeah, fucking wear them for over 10 years straight, and so it's gonna happen. But I said I'd like to see these come back in maybe like the Bread Reimagined style with leather, so they lasted a little bit more than the suede. Or this ain't even suede though. This is like that DuraBuck from like 2012. Anybody remember the 2012 Bread 4's and how that shit used to just peel, and then you had to shave it off, and you got that tennis ball feel to it? Yeah, this is like that same nubuck DuraBuck material. And I'm be real with you, I don't want to see 4's with this material on it anymore. I don't. I kind of want to see 4's with at least the flat leather, like you see with the I guess the military blue 4's, but everybody's trashing that leather. But that's like the same leather that came on the last white cements, right? In has it been 2016 since the white cements? Yikes, yeah, we need another white cement release too. Jeez. But yeah, no, I was thinking about it. I was like, man, it's been a long ass time since we've seen the Toro Bravo's release. And I would personally rather have this shoe back than the military blue 4's. Like, them motherfuckers can stay in the past. But here's another thing. Look, see, this is that old toe box style that I was telling you in the last video about the Bread Reimagines. See how the newer style, they just go, well, it's like the older OG style. I don't know, sometime around like 2007-ish, we saw Jordan go to the square toe box style. So Man, if I can get a Toro Bravo release, sorry for banging on the mic like that. I keep forgetting that my mic's on my fucking phone and not external, so. But man, imagine getting a Toro Bravo release with the new shape. Maybe some upgraded materials. I wouldn't be mad. I'd still buy them if they're new buck, but I'd rather something like if they're gonna go like instead of like if they want to stick with the suede, they want to give us like kind of like that fuzzy suede that we saw on like the Craft 4's and the Toro 5's and shit. I'll be down for that, but this. No, I don't want to see 4's come with this material ever to fuck again. Yeah, look, it's like fucking wearing a newspaper. It's like a thick ass newspaper. But yeah, imagine OG shape, upgraded materials, Nike Air on the back. Oh, are you fucking kidding me, man? I would touch tits for that. You give me some big old Oprah saggers, and I'll be like, bring them on over, Oprah. We're gonna be milking them motherfuckers. But yeah, I still don't mind. I still wear these. Like, I know people are gonna be like, but they have the wings busted off. Yeah, only one wing busted off. I busted the rest of the wings off, see? These didn't break off naturally on the other side. This is the only side that it actually broke naturally. Right here, because you can see right there, all the stitching is still fine. In here, you can see I just ripped them bitches out. It's like, fuck it. Yo, I've literally owned these shoes for like pretty much 10 years. See, you can see, oh yeah, that's another piece that broke off, right? They broke off on the outside, but not on the inside. Which makes sense, because probably gets caught on a lot more shit when you're getting in the car or it's banging on the door or something. You know, the insides, the medial side, you don't really be hitting on anything like that. But yeah, man, I'm kind of mad about that, but I'm still not mad about that because they're wearable still. I mean, these motherfuckers are still in good shape, you know? But damn, I was thinking about it today. I was like, OG shape, upgraded materials, Nike Air on the motherfucking back. You want to bring hype back to Jordan brand? Like, I be seeing a lot of Jordans be sitting these days, which I'm actually a fan of. I like seeing that. It reminds me of like the 2015, 2016 days before, you know, the Last Dance came out and everybody wanted to try to come on and hop on what we were doing and shit. They're like, oh, these motherfuckers are making money. Look, they're going to go over there and ruin their community for a few years. Fuck them motherfuckers. But yeah, this is another episode of JAYdotMAK. Goddamn. This is like, honestly, I know I love the breads, and I know I love that colorway, and that it's an OG, but this might actually be the best 4 ever released. The colorway is just on point, everything. But like I said, Nike Air on the back, OG shape, some better materials. That would justify the price hike on. I remember when I was copping Jordans before I retired, there was like $180 for a pair of fucking 4's. Now I come back and they're $220, and it used to be $220 with the Nike Air on the back. Now it's $220 and it just got Jordans on the back. I'm like, oh, I see what you did. They conditioned us to pay $220 with that Nike Air on the back and then hit that flipper switcheroo when the inflation hit, right? Yeah, fuck you, Jordan. Shit. But yeah, like I said, this is another episode of JAYdotMAK. I want to thank y'all for watching. Make sure you'll rate, comment, subscribe, do all the happy horse shit down there. Leave questions, comments, whatever. And like, you know, even if like you're like, oh, these are the type of vidges I like, or I like the cleaning vidges, or like any other type of shit you want to see around here. I am you guys are gonna hate this. The neighbors back here, I chopped this shit down like 3 weeks ago, and all that bamboo. See, look, I chopped it all down and all the bamboo grow back. There's a pile of bamboo inside that pile of bamboo. So now I gotta cut that bitches down and dig it up and pour boiling water all up on the roots to get rid of the bamboo. See, you can see my trimmer's right there on the ground still. See? I'm fucking using that bitch. I'll crack, crack, crack. At least there ain't no dogs out here today, though. But yeah, like I said, my name's Jay. Episode of JAYdotMAK. Make sure you guys rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. And I'm gonna see y'all motherfuckers later. Should we do like a montage music? Like. That's kind of like a mix between like the Globetrotters song and Ain't Nobody Dope As Me. I'm just so motherfucking fresh and clean. Why did the wings have to break off? Just there you go. Let's pretend, guys. Let's pretend they're still new. Ah!